Namaste everyone, here I am going to find limit by factorization method. To understand this, limit of function fx by gx as x approaches to a, we can find its limit like this. It will be equal to limit of fx as x approaches to a by limit of gx as x approaches to a, provided that limit of gx as x approaches to a is not equal to 0. Limit of denominator is not equal to 0. In this way we can find limit by factorization method. Here we have to factorize numerator and denominator both. After that we have to find limit of its numerator as well as limit of its denominator, whereas limit of denominator will not be equal to 0, like this. 1. Solution. Limit of x to the power 4 minus 81 by 2x square minus 5x minus 3 as x approaches to 3. Here we have to check its form. Here numerator is x to the power 4 minus 81 by 2x square minus 5x minus 3 is equal to, we have to replace value of x by 3 as x approaches to 3. Then it will be 3 to the power 4 minus 81 by 2 into 3 square minus 5 into 3 minus 3 as value of x is 3. Then it will be 3 to the power 4, that is 81 minus 81 by 2 into 3 square, that is 9, minus 5 3 are 15 minus 3, that is 81 minus 81 by 2 9 are 18 minus 15 minus 3, that is minus 18. In this way it is 0 by 0 form. This is undefined form or indeterminate form. This is in indeterminate form, but we have to find its value with help of limit by factorization method. We have to factorize it. Like this. First of all, here x to the power 4 minus 81 by 2x square minus 5x minus 3. We have to factorize numerator as well as denominator, and common factors will be cancelled like this. We can write it x square, its whole square, minus 81, that is 9 square by 2x square. We have to factorize this. Minus 6x plus x. Its sum is minus 5x minus 3. A square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Here 2x will be common. Rest parts are x minus 3 plus 1 is common. Rest parts are x minus 3. It will be x square plus 9. We can write this as x square minus 3 square. Again it is in form of a square minus b square. Here we have x minus 3 and rest parts are 2x plus 1. It will be x square plus 9. Again we have a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b by x minus 3 into 2x plus 1. Here in numerator and denominator common factors will be cancelled. These common factors are x minus 3, x minus 3. Then we have in simplest form as x square plus 9 into x plus 3 by 2x plus 1. Now we have to calculate its limit. We have to calculate its limit. This is same. Both are same. It is its simplified form. It will be equal to limit, that is x square plus 9 into x plus 3 by 2x plus 1 as x approaches to 3. Now we have to separate. Now we have to take limit its numerator as well as its denominator, like this. Limit x square plus 9 into x plus 3 as x approaches to 3 by limit 2x plus 1 as x approaches to 3. Now we have to replace value of x by 3 like this. 3 square plus 9. Here 3 plus 3 by 2 into 3 plus 1. It is 3 square, that is 9 plus 9 into 3 plus 3, that is 6 by 2 3 ja 6 plus 1. Now we have 9 plus 9, that is 18 into 6 by 6 plus 1, that is 7. It is 18 6 ja 108 by 7. In this way, limit of x to the power 4 minus 81 by 2x square minus 5x minus 3 as x approaches to 3 is 108 by 7. In this way, limit of these functions are obtained. Now second, similarly, we can find limit of these functions also. fx and gx. 2. Solution. Limit of x to the power 4 minus 4 by x square plus 3 root 2x minus 8 as x approaches to root 2. To check its numerator and denominator like this, here we have to replace value of x by root 2. Then it will be x square plus 3 root 2x minus 8. It will be, we have to replace value of x by root 2. In this way we have root 2 to the power 4 minus 4 by x square, that is root 2 square plus 3 root 2 into root 2 minus 8. I am checking it. Root 2 to the power 4, that is 4 minus 4 by root 2 square, that is 2 plus 3 into 2, that is 6 minus 8. It is already available here. Now 4 minus 4 by 2 plus 6, that is 8 minus 8. This is 0 by 0 form. This is also undefined, or this is also in indeterminate form. We have to factorize its numerator and denominator both. After that, common factors will be cancelled, and then we have to find its limit. Here x to the power 4 minus 4 by x square plus 3 root 2x minus 8. We have to factorize its numerator and denominator both. It will be x square whole square minus 2 square. Denominator will be like this, x square minus 8. Once minus 8, we can write it like this. We have to change it. Minus 4 root 2 plus root 2 x. We have to replace here x. 4 root 2x plus root 2x. Now we have plus. We have to create here plus. So put here plus and here minus. Its product 4 into 2 minus, that is minus 8, and its sum plus 4 root 2x minus root 2x, that is plus root plus 3 root 2x. This part. Rest part is minus 8. Now a square minus b square. We have a square plus b. A square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b. Here we have to take common as x plus x minus root 2. x is common, rest part is x minus root 2. From this plus 4 root 2. Yes, when we take plus 4 root 2, then we have x minus root 2. In this way, 4 root 2x plus minus plus minus and 4 to the 8. 4 root 2x minus 4 to the 8. Yes. It will be x square plus 2. We can write it again like this, a square and minus b square. Root 2 its whole square. Yes, this is solved, x square plus 2. It will be a square minus b square, that is a plus b into a minus b. Denominator will be x minus root 2. This is common, x minus root 2, x minus root 2. Rest parts are x plus 4 root 2. In this way, x minus 2, x minus root 2 and x minus root 2 are common. Rest parts we have x square plus 2 into x plus root 2 by x plus 4 root 2. This is simplified. Same function is simplified like this. We have to take its limit. Hence, limit as x approaches to root 2. In place of this function, we can write this. Then we have x square plus 2, x plus root 2 by x plus 4 root 2. Now we have to separate it. It will be limit as x approaches to root 2, numerator first, that is x square plus 2 x plus root 2 by denominator, that is limit as x approaches to root 2 and function is x plus 4 root 2. Now we have to replace value of x. Here it will be x square, that is value of x is root 2 x square plus 2. Here x, that is root 2 plus root 2 by x, that is root 2 plus 4 root 2. It will be root 2 square, that is 2. It is already 2 here. Here root 2 plus root 2, that is 2 root 2 by root 2 plus 4 root 2, that is 5 root 2. It will be 2 plus 2, that is 4 into 2 root 2 by 5 root 2. Root 2 will be cancelled and we have 4 to the 8 by 5. In this way, limit of x to the power 4 x to the power 4 minus 4 by x square plus 3 root 2 x minus 8 as x approaches to root 2 is 8 by 5. That's all. Thank you very much for watching.